Today I will focus on the introductory part of Bivariate Data Level 3 report, which is the problem stage of the PPDuck cycle. I'm going to look at the overall how to approach the report writing. It's a comparative study of student responses from NZQA. Let's begin with the assessment context. This activity requires students to investigate the relationship between physical attributes of a sample of high-performance athletes from the Australian Institute of Sport. The students have to understand the variables clearly. Let's look at one of the student responses. It's high not achieved. Well, it's a minimal statement given by the student. As far as the passing is concerned, hopefully this will pass because it has all the required elements. The downside, the purpose statement is not well developed. The student posed an appropriate statistical relationship type question. The student defined the variables, but the student should be mindful to choose the word carefully. For example, instead of using "I will look at the data," he or she should have used "investigate data," which is more formal. Linking the introductory part to the research is also mandatory. The students have to do it to get better grades. Low achieved paper, once again the introductory part. This is a good start. The post question has population mention and students' discussion has been linked to research. These are the strength of this section. We haven't been discussing about later part of the report, so we cannot form overall idea. So research link is a very important thing for your report. High achieved, hypothesis is given, purpose stated. To reach merit from here, the student would need to provide more in the way of contextual references to support statements made. Always there should be evidence which is possibly not required at this stage, but later stage, evidence-based statements are required to get better grades. Low merit, once again, research links are given in standard format, which we call APA format. Most statements are supported by reference to statistical evidence. Possibly it refers to the later part of the report. Excellence, as you can see, it's well written, quite descriptive, all the links are given, research references are well established. The standardized format of APA referencing is maintained. It is well written, insightful introduction to a report, which will certainly give a at least for this section of the report, excellence level. But it's very difficult to say overall what will be the standard of the report unless we look at the whole report, which we are not going to do today. Thank you for watching my video.